Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to access early direct deposits on Cash App. Alright, so the best way to access early direct deposits on Cash App is to ensure that your account is properly set up and consistently maintained. Early access depends on when Cash App receives funds from the payer, so accuracy and reliability matter a lot. Use the correct routing and account numbers and submit them to your employer or your payer well before a pay cycle begins. Keep your account verified and in good standings, as security reviews can delay availability. Avoid frequent changes to deposits information, which may reset processing timelines. Enable notifications so that you're alerted the moment funds arrive. Now, while early direct deposit is not guaranteed, maintaining a stable account and predictable payment source is going to increase the likelihood of receiving your money as soon as it is released. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.